Good morning, children. In the last class, we solved few problems. Okay. Today we will be solving of some more problems. Just look at here. That is the 14th problem. A man is 48 meters behind a bus which is at rest. The bus starts accelerating at the rate of 1 meter per second square. At the same time, the man starts running with the uniform velocity of 10 meters per second. What is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? Okay, children, just you see the question here. A man is 48 meters behind a bus which is at rest. Here a bus is there. Behind a bus, a man is there. He is at rest. The bus starts accelerating at the rate of 1 meter per second square. Buses start moving. At the same time, the man is also start running with uniform velocity of 10 meter per second. What is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? He is asking that what is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Now, what is given here? Here, man is at rest. Man is at rest. Okay. And here, we see that here, a man is 48 meters behind a bus. A man is 48 meters behind a bus. Behind the bus. Okay. 48 meters behind the bus. And here the bus starts accelerating at, acceleration is given. Acceleration is 1 meter per second square. The person is at rest, u is equal to 0. Acceleration is 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. And here time we don't know. Let the time is equals to x. Let the time is equals to x. Okay. By using of the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square, we can solve this one. That is u is 0. U into 0 into t is 0 plus half a is 1. T is equal to x square. Therefore, s is equals to x square by 2. We are getting about distance traveled is equals to what? X square by 2. And here for man, here velocity is given as 10 meter per second. Velocity is equals to 10 meter per second. And here time is equals to x. Okay, time is equals to x. Therefore, by using of distance traveled by this here is, okay, speed is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Okay, distance is equals to speed into time. Therefore, s is equals to v into t. That is 10x. 10 into x, that is equals to 10x. Okay, now look at here. Here, the distance traveled by a man minus distance traveled by a bus is equals to 48 meters. Distance traveled by a man minus, okay, distance traveled by a bus. Total distance traveled by a bus, that is equal to 48 meters. 48 meters. Therefore, here we will be getting it as, here s is equals to 10x minus x square by 2. Here distance traveled by a man is 10x minus x square by 2, that is equals to 48. Therefore, by solving of this, 20x minus x square by 2 is equals to 48. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. 20x minus x square by 2. That is 20x minus x square is equal to 96. 48 twos are 96. Okay. Therefore, here transposing this that side, x square minus 20x minus 96 is equals to 0. Finding out the factors of this 96. Okay, 96 factors, 2 48s, 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6, 2 3s. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 minus 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, yes. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2 2s are 4, 8 12s are 96. Therefore, here we can write it as x square minus 8x minus 12x minus 96 is equal to 0. Therefore, x into x minus 8 minus 12 into x minus 8, that is x minus 8 into x minus 12 is equals to 0. Here x is equal to 8, x is equals to 12. Okay, 12 seconds. Therefore, here which is the minimum here? 8 seconds is the minimum. Okay, 8 seconds is the minimum time. Okay, children, 8 seconds is the minimum time. Therefore, here, okay, he is asking that what is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? The minimum time that the man catches the bus is of 8 seconds. Okay, children. See here, this is about the man. That is a man. Yeah, he is at rest first. He is okay. Here it is the bus. This is the bus. Okay, the distance traveled by the bus. Here bus is at rest first. It is moving with acceleration 1 meter per second square. Time we don't know, therefore we are supposing it as x. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equals to, by substituting we get x square by 2. In the same way, for the man, when we are substituting, we are getting the distance as 10x. Okay, therefore here the distance traveled by a man minus the distance traveled by a bus is equal to total is 48 is the difference over there. Therefore, here by calculating this, we are getting of x is equals to 8 seconds. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, this is about the 14th problem. This is the 14th problem. Okay, right. Next, another problem is there. A body leaving at a certain point, a body leading at a certain point O, a body leaving at a certain point O moves with constant acceleration. It is moving with constant acceleration. At the end of the 5th second, its velocity is 1.5 meter per second. And at the end of the 6th second, the body stops and then begins to move back again. Find the distance traveled by the body before it stops. Here, a body leaving from a certain point O moves with constant acceleration. Here, a body is there, it is at a point O, it is leaving, it is moving with constant acceleration. At the end of, when it is moving, here at the end of 5th second, its velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Its velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Velocity. And at the end of the 6th second, the bus is stopping. It is stopping. Okay, and it is moving back. Here he is asking that find the distance traveled by the body before it stops, and here he is asking that determine the velocity with which the body returns to O. Here he is asking the both. Okay, he is asking the both. Now look at here. By taking, okay, here we are having of an equation V is equal to U plus AT. V is equals to U plus AT. Okay, here V is how much? 1.5 meter per second. And here U is okay, 1 point, okay, final velocity is, it is coming, okay children, see here. V is equal to U plus AT. Therefore, 1.5 meter per second is equals to U, we don't know, U plus 5 into A. 5th second, 5 into A. It is moving with constant acceleration. A is the constant acceleration. A is constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. Therefore, v is equal to u plus at. V is 1.5 meter per second is equal to u plus 5 Okay. Next at the sixth second. This is at fifth second. At sixth second it is the final velocity is 0. 0 is equals to, is moving with same initial velocity 1.5 meter plus acceleration. Therefore, here we get a acceleration is equals to minus 1.5 meter per second. Minus 1.5 meter per second. Okay. Now this we take it as equation 1. Substituting the value. Okay. The value of A in equation 1 we get. Okay. Substituting the value of A in the equation 1 we get 1.5 meter is equals to u plus 5 into minus 1.5 meter. Okay, that is 1.5 is equals to u plus 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 7.5. Therefore, u transposing this side will be getting as 9 meter per second. Therefore, u is equals to 9 meter per second. Here we got u as 9 meter per second, and here as it is returning back into the same point O. Okay, here we got the velocity as 9 meter per second. As it is returning to the velocity, returning back to O, from the point O it is returning back. Therefore, here we take it as, here we want to find it, the distance traveled. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here u is taken as 9 meter, 9 into the time is taken as 6th second plus half. A is, how much we got A as minus 1.5 into t is 6 square. Therefore, S is equal to 9 6 are 54 plus of 1 by 2 into minus 15 by 10, or we can write it as 3 by 2 into 36. 36 here 2 18s are. That is 54 plus of 18 3s are 54. 54 minus of 54 by 2, that is equal to 54 minus 27, that is equal to 27 meters. Therefore, how much we are getting the distance traveled? That is equal to 27 meters. Okay. The remaining we'll be seeing in the next class. Thank you.